Do you ever feel like you're running on empty, struggling to focus, or just not performing at your best? What if I told you that the right supplements could help you boost your energy, sharpen your focus, and even support a longer, healthier life? Today, I'm sharing the best supplements for energy, focus, and longevity, backed by science and easy to incorporate into your routine. On omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential fats that your body can't produce on its own, so you need to get them from your diet or supplements. They're known for their brain-boosting benefits, including improved focus, memory, and mood. The best sources of omega-3s are fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. If you're not a fan of fish, you can take a high-quality fish oil or algae-based supplement. Look for one that contains both EPA and DHA, the two most important types of omega-3s. Studies show that omega-3s can also reduce inflammation, support heart health, and even promote longevity. Aim for 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams per day for optimal benefits. If you're new to omega-3s, start with a lower dose and gradually increase it to avoid digestive discomfort. And remember, consistency is key. It can take a few weeks to notice the full effects. 2. Vitamin B12. This vitamin is crucial for energy production, brain function, and the formation of red blood cells. If you're feeling tired or foggy, a B12 deficiency could be to blame, especially if you're vegetarian, vegan, or over 50, as these groups are more prone to deficiencies. You can find B12 in animal products like meat, eggs, and dairy, but a supplement is a great option if you're not getting enough from your diet. Look for methylcobalamin, the most bioavailable form of B12. A daily dose of 1,000, 2,000 mcg can help boost your energy levels and keep your brain sharp. Pro tip: if you're dealing with chronic fatigue or a known deficiency, consider sublingual B12 tablets or even B12 injections for faster absorption. 3. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10. This powerful antioxidant is involved in energy production at the cellular level. As we age, our natural CoQ10 levels decline, which can lead to fatigue and reduced physical performance. CoQ10 is particularly beneficial for heart health and may even help slow the aging process. It's found in small amounts in foods like organ meats and fatty fish, but most people benefit from a supplement. Look for ubiquinol, the active form of CoQ10, and aim for 100 to 200 milligrams per day. This supplement is especially helpful if you're on statin medications, as statins can deplete CoQ10 levels. If you're an athlete or just looking to boost your energy, CoQ10 can also improve exercise performance and recovery. 4. Rhodiola rosea. This adaptogenic herb has been used for centuries to combat fatigue, improve focus, and enhance resilience to stress. Rhodiola works by balancing cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for your stress response. Studies show that rhodiola can improve mental performance, reduce fatigue, and even boost exercise endurance. Look for a supplement that contains 3% rosavins and 1% saladroside, the active compounds in rhodiola. A typical dose is 200 to 400 milligrams per day, taken in the morning or early afternoon to avoid disrupting sleep. If you're dealing with chronic stress or burnout, rhodiola can be a game changer. It's like a natural energy boost without the jitters of caffeine. 5. Magnesium. This essential mineral is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, including energy production, muscle function, and brain health. Many people are deficient in magnesium, which can lead to fatigue, poor sleep, and even anxiety. You can find magnesium in foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, but a supplement can help fill the gap. Look for magnesium glycinate or citrate, which are highly absorbable forms. Aim for 200 to 400 milligrams per day, preferably taken in the evening to support relaxation and sleep. If you struggle with muscle cramps, restless legs, or insomnia, magnesium might be exactly what you need. It's like nature's chill pill. 6. Lion's mane mushroom. This unique mushroom has been shown to support brain health by promoting the growth of nerve cells and improving cognitive function. It's often used to enhance memory, focus, and mental clarity. Lion's mane can be consumed as a tea, powder, or supplement. Look for a product that contains 30% polysaccharides, the active compounds in lion's mane. A typical dose is 500 to 1,000 milligrams per day. This supplement is a great choice if you're looking to boost your brain power and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Fun fact: lion's mane has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries to support brain health and longevity. Modern science is now catching up to its benefits. 7. Curcumin. This active compound in turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Chronic inflammation is a major driver of aging and disease, so reducing it can support longevity and overall health. Curcumin has also been shown to improve brain function, reduce joint pain, and support heart health. Look for a supplement that contains black pepper extract, piperine, which enhances curcumin absorption. Aim for 500 to 1,000 milligrams per day. If you're dealing with joint pain, brain fog, or just want to protect your body from aging, curcumin is a must-have. It's like a shield against inflammation and oxidative stress. Bonus tip: pair supplements with a healthy lifestyle. Supplements work best when paired with a healthy lifestyle. No pill can replace a balanced diet, regular exercise, and good sleep. Focus on eating whole, nutrient-dense foods, staying active, and managing stress. Supplements are the cherry on top. They enhance your efforts but shouldn't be your only strategy. For example, pair your omega-3s with a diet rich in fatty fish and walnuts. Combine your magnesium supplement with a bedtime routine that promotes relaxation. And don't forget to move your body. Exercise boosts the effectiveness of many supplements by improving circulation and nutrient absorption. And there you have it, the best supplements for energy, focus, and longevity.